Hello, everyone.
Hi.
Hello, you are our collectors, people who helped us distribute the See You Soon postcards. And it's time to pull out the winner of a £100 voucher that will go towards your group. So thank you for submitting your online surveys. And here we go.
Drum roll.
Drum roll, drum roll.
Is it going to be?
Say when, say when.
And now, Colin.
I've got two. Right or left?
Left.
Sorry. Right, who's in here? We have the winner is Craig Townsend.
Wow.
Oh,
Well done,
Craig. We'll send you an email and you can use that voucher towards your group's activities. See you soon. Bye.